Check. Welcome. I didn't record anything since the last 2 days because due to my throat issues, and I was so tired. So today I'm gonna start from the English version because later on it's gonna be a Polish one. So let's go. Hello and welcome to 321 Crypto. Let's go. Remember, everything here is non-financial advice. You take full responsibility for this, what you're buying and you're selling. So let's go here. So Bitcoin, let's go first here, and we can see that Bitcoin print out lower low to this and to this. And now there's a question whether we're gonna still have this buyout here like we did even the last time and last time here, or is it gonna be A, B and C? We will see. That's what I'm waiting. That's what I'm waiting for, so that Bitcoin will show this narration. Now here we were going nicely down here. We have retested this 200, and then we took a short at this section. That's why I didn't record this on the English one. It was only on on Polish. And then we hit here. So looks like we completed the first wave. And now whether it's over and we're still gonna go up and kill everything, I'm gonna Y, or it's gonna be like here we can see head and shoulders. So I think we're gonna start lifting a little bit, but it could be a wave B. Okay, and then we're going to the proper correction. So we will see. At the weekend, I think recently weekends we had a really positive. So I think that maybe we're gonna have another one positive. Why? Look, if we can look at the open positions. So these are open interest, okay, open positions, out of which we have not enough longs, but we have super amount of shorts. And these shorts, okay, they are pressing, but the price is just falling just now. So I wonder whether it's so easy to earn that money on the market, in the bull market, for shorts. What I would kind of like to see is that market will move up, and then we will see a drop down in shorts, and Bitcoin then will go up. So I'm just waiting. If we can take a look at long term, if we can take a look at, oh, maybe I'm gonna show here. If we can take a look at monthly, look, we still are above our all-time high here, most of it. Kind of 62 would be a good reason. But if we're gonna reverse, yeah, and we're gonna try to create cup and handle, okay, then we could go even to 40. How is that? Look, 1, 2, 3, that's the wave 3. Wave 4 is usually a triangle, and wave 4 could be playing a role as a handle. That's what usually happens. So I'm just waiting till this formation will come, and for now I am cashing out my gains. So let's go today through many coins, and today what I think is a deep day. I'm going to show you a deep day, which I am buying on some coins. Counting that at least we're gonna have a bearish rally up for the wave B, and then we're gonna go down. Or if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna be inside this trade already, we're gonna go up and Bitcoin will go up, which I don't know. I have a few information today, how come Bitcoin went down and so on, but just take a look. Before we're gonna go to these ones, let's take a look at two governmental 2-yearly bonds. Okay, so revenue from governmental bonds. We have captured these bonds here, that once the bonds will start going down, it means that the Federal Reserve will start lowering the rates. So then S&P 500 will go probably even up, yield will go down, and this is our scenario. so that the market will crash. That's what was always happening since 25 years. But at the moment, I was counting that we're gonna bypass this section here, but we went up. So once we will see end movement here, okay, we could see this A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, C, A, B, C, okay. But if we're gonna pass this thing, it means this correction is over here, and we are going. So the market, we are going up. So the market doesn't believe, the bonds market, the biggest market, doesn't believe that the Fed will drop the interest rate. That's why when for me is to pull out from the market once I see my alarm here and then here. But don't worry, I'm gonna be showing this. You won't going to miss this if you're watching this channel. And even though from this signal you will still have plenty of time, I mean in days, not in minutes, in days, to get out from the market. Why? Because once we're gonna hit this, what I'm thinking, the market will still be going up. That's why it's gonna be a good time to exit. So let's go through the coins. So SYN. What I see on SYN is that we could achieve the wave number 5, this one, okay, and we could achieve the biggest wave like here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that could be it. So then we could actually draw 0, A, B, C. That's not a good idea, okay, for this. But what I'm thinking now is that after this pullback, SYN also have a chance to actually go a little bit up, so something like this, and then go down. So what I see for the what I'm gonna showing here is my strategy for this time is that all these coins, which we will see, they're gonna have a rally up, but then I don't know whether they're gonna bypass this, break out this top, or they're gonna just go down for C. So always when we're gonna take a look at the daily, go to, let's say, 4 hourly or 2 hourly, and then you're supposed to see divergence like here. Look, we have a lower low, lower low, lower low, higher low. It means that this, look, it means that this full power, yeah, which was dedicated to lower the market, yeah, is not so full. The price went down, you see, the price went down lower than this one, but here, okay, the force of that punch was smaller. It means bears are crashing out. There are no bears anymore. So usually when I see that sort of formation, I put here swing failure pattern, and then we can see a bear trap here. When the price will retest this zone, we will see increased movement towards up, okay? And that's how I'm playing. So let's go and see other coins, okay? Let's see, Gamey. We are nearly to see divergence, but I don't like that pattern. Gamey, once the Gamey will lose 23 cents, I'm going out because the point of control is here at 14. So watch out, okay, watch out. That's a game starter, not Gamey on game starter. And then we have a CTQ. I am holding CTQ because CTQ is retesting the neck, kind of upper neckline here, this new range, okay. And what I can see here is that they are working towards improvement on Ethereum with these blobs. That's a waypoint, way back data, something like this, and they will allow store this data, which will be deleted after 18 days. Now that could be something. There's a huge energy on weekly, and a big energy on monthly as well. So. And daily, like it's waiting to move somewhere. So I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna wait. SFP, that's a SafePal. SafePal has plenty of working products, including wallets, including hardware wallets, and banking, maybe not licenses, but cooperations. So I think SafePal could start going also up like the others. So I'm holding SafePal. I'm holding. Marsh at the moment, oh Marsh, look, that's Marsh. Nice flag, okay, nice flag. Unfortunately, we hit below my point, okay. But at the moment, we have small divergence, and look for this power. So what I see now, it could be something similar what Vi did, I think. So we are going down here. We could go up, and I don't know, or like this, or we're gonna go like this. So everyone who is trapped here could escape in this movement up. If we take a look at the Vi, for example, Vi, oh look, it was nice. It was nice to escape. Now this is a retesting of the neckline on Vi. Same thing was on Fetch AI. I was showing this. I was showing you this. So once we're gonna hit something like this, Fetch AI just went dramatically up, and that's what I'm counting on Vi as well. That's why I'm still holding Vi. But if we're gonna take a look at this, what I was showing you, you look, that was this descending triangle here, and the same thing I'm thinking on the other coins may happen. So this was the divergence was here, look, and then boom. So whoever was trapped, this person could go up, like from 31 cents we could go up to even 39 cents and then exit if someone was afraid. Okay, so at the moment what I'm thinking, maybe we will see some consolidation here. Okay, but at the moment I'm not going to sell. I'm gonna wait what's gonna happen next. So that's this. Now PIX, that looks good. So PIX is doing kind of double bottom. Watch this out as well. But the project itself, it's kind of, they are building some ecosystem, social something ecosystems. I don't know whether it's well, there is a volume in here, okay, but I don't know if there is a traction. I didn't see anything on these news, okay. OG, oh yes, OG is starting to break it, okay. So OG is going up, as I was talking, I don't know how many times exactly. I was reminding people here. So what I'm counting is that OG will try to go here. We will see. There is power on weekly. There is a power. I have my orders set here for sale in that sort of areas. Okay. Shill is also looking quite good, but not as good if I would like to kind of install money. But if you were holding Gamers coin, so GHX, look, this was outstanding. Like we started to trading this coin here. Oh yeah, this one. So it went 9x's up, 9x up. I cash out most of my stuff in this zone, so it's still going up. But well, you never know. You never know. You never know. So GHX, you know, it's too late to go in. Chlor has a nice flag as well. Look, Chlor, nice flag, nice bullish flag, you know. Here, we can see here, no, we don't see divergence. No, we don't see divergence. The flag is nice. So I would say the level is here. So once we're gonna go above 34 cents, watch out, because we may also have this movement up. But let's take a look from some sort of exotic coins. PLX, okay, very easy to buy PLX, okay. PLX is the DEX on the rows, but it's a special DEX, because once you swap some coins, you basically sending coins from the wallet one to, let's say you are exchanging Ethereum to USDT. So Ethereum then is wrapped into privacy mode, click, and then unwrap into USDT. Okay, so nobody knows where you have sent that coin. And if your wallet one here is the wallet number 2, yeah, because you can enter a wallet 2 address, look, that's how it looks like. You just select the coin. So you can even select Ethereum from Arbitrum, and for example, send it to another wallet with let's say using this exchange, and it's gonna wrap this up, and it's gonna be private, and you don't have to do anything, like no bridges, no something. Like it's so cool. Like I'm using this now, like all the time when I want to send something. So let's go TKST. I don't think so. 0x gas went too deep. So What I'm thinking now is like if we're not gonna go above this resistance now, we will have A, B, and C, something like this, something similar like here, something similar. Ellie, for the moment, nothing happens here. Chat, vector chat, I would say nice retest, nicely down. And now I would like to see this thing as going up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, nice, nice. I wouldn't count this now. So here I would like to see kind of something like this, and then we will see the divergence. It would be ideal. It will be ideal. And then a little bit up, and here we have a 3, 5, B, for example. Or we even had that thing here. Yeah, 3, 5, B. So I would say it's gonna be finish, and then we can start impulsive wave for another highs. Yeah, B cube. Watch on the B cube. I don't know why it's dropped so dramatically. I was reading their Telegram, but Telegram and the Twitter, and it's really good. Like they are, expanding. They are getting more users. It's a kind of exchange with AI, kind of new type of DEX, I would say. I'm buying this. Elastic Finance. Now that was a good offer here, and what I'm thinking is now that whoever buy here, take a look at this level of 1050, maybe 1050. If we're gonna take a look at the level here, we could see, yep, exactly, $1,000. We have a Fibonacci golden pocket here. So I will look, I would look at this level because price may bounce and may go like this. Okay, that's why everything depends if it's the deep or not deep, PL we were looking, AGC, wow, I'm waiting till AGC will go down. These AI coins, okay, and these kind of gaming coins, they are going down, and fully, like, I'm gonna show you later on all of this, and we're gonna go to quickly to some news, okay? So, Reds, I'm using this as a dip, okay? This is a petition so that Bitcoin deserves an emoji. So all the systems, like Android, like others, will have emoji Bitcoin within them. That's something good. So you can sign a petition here. I'm gonna leave the link below, okay? Wall Street. Now this is very loud event, because the guy who was the whistleblower in a Boeing case suddenly found himself, okay, have been found dead, but like what the police said, the death was caused by self-injury. So he shot himself. Come on. So he said before that to his friend, if anything happens to me, it's not suicide. So that's what they found. Like, Boeing, like you can see all over the internet, the Boeing cases, like something is not right. It's a fallen empire, I would say. It's a fallen empire, what is happening now. Vanguard CEO is either absolutely clueless or just tired, tries to control their clients. So Vanguard CEO, Timmy, is trying to tell people that the Bitcoin is not going anywhere. So BlackRock is going fully in an ETF. However, Vanguard says that no, they're gonna buy bonds. And they want to remove this Vanguard CEO. He said that when he's a CEO, no Bitcoin will be available for Vanguard clients. So this is another elite guy who is outside of the scope, what I can see. Jeez. And he's gonna be probably replaced, But it's a very interesting fact here. Like, you are giving your wealth to somebody, and this somebody is careless. This somebody, no, he doesn't understand anything, and he doesn't want to understand here, And these people, they just don't care about your money. Don't care. And this simulation is all over the internet. This is a simulation of a nuclear response to Russia. So I don't know if this is possible or not. it's going to be end of the war then, because they don't carry out the simulation of second sight. So before these missiles will hit to Russia, Russia will respond to to his enemies. So it's going to be over. It's going to be over. Oh. Notcoin. Now, if you'll see the Notcoin, that's a Telegram. You know, if you are mining this coin, you know, by clicking, there's an upgrade there that you can trade, and soon Notcoin will release that coin to the market. So that's going to be interesting. You know, when you can replace these coins into a market. We will see. That's going to be very interesting. Finally, look on chain. Grayscale decreased their Bitcoin holdings by almost like over 3,500, so 3,780. That's 256 millions. And currently they hold 383, almost 384,000, which is worth 26 billions. BlackRock, Grayscale. BlackRock added almost 5,000 Bitcoins, okay? And they hold whatever. 9 ETF in Grayscale added over 1,400 Bitcoins, yeah? So Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF decrease, okay? Grayscale Bitcoin ETF decrease as well. So I presume that these two entities, they are responsible for selling. So Grayscale Bitcoin ETF is also redeemable, and people, once they got their Grayscale shares, that's a long story, okay, which were traded half price, now they are realizing profit. So I wonder when BlackRock will be realizing profit, because they will as well. They're a financial company. Now that's something in a Canadian, that's something outgoing. Look, they are breaking into your home to steal your car. They don't want anything else. So in Canada, police is advising homeowners to leave their car fobs outside of their homes, so that armed thieves can steal them more easily without confronting homeowners. Like, come on, what's next? Leave a computer, leave everything, maybe a wallet, maybe even we're gonna leave our phone with a pin, or maybe our finger if we are kind of, you know, biometrics, and leave them everything so they can see. Like, come on. This is so wacky. This is so left-handed. Okay, like everyone should have a gun. Arms in their home. You know, everyone. Like if we're talking about something like this, they are allowing to do so. Like we are entering some sort of crazy zone. Like crazy. AI will probably be smarter than any single human man before 2029. So next year. And by 2029, AI is probably smarter than all humans combined. Now that's gonna be something. I can say one thing. And try to leverage me. What is smart? What is intelligent? And what is fast? There are three different things. So I wonder what is smart. Whether if you are smart that you understand things quicker, but you cannot say whether this is true or false. Or maybe you are smart because you can easily say this is true or false, but you don't understand this quicker. You know what I mean? So AI is very smart because AI is like a, archive reader equipped with a high dose of fast memory. But when AI will tell me what is the truth? AI relies on data. What if the data is false? AI will tell me, no, this is true, but the data is false. Okay? So when AI will determine whether the data is false or not, who will tell AI? You want to know? So I would be very careful about these statements and telling that AI is a way smarter than us. Okay? Faster, yes. Smarter, I don't think so. And I'm just gonna finish this on very small news. I will give this link below so you can see this yourself. Okay? But there's a humongous amount of news going in very respectable channels and respectable audience and respectable news media kind of content channels about this, that President of France, Emmanuel Macron's wife, is a man. Okay, so they run an investigation for over 3 years, and looks like this person, I mean not this one, but Macron's wife, okay, this person is a man, and he changed his vision about herself or himself when he was 30 years old. That's very interesting. Looks like Macron might be a gay, maybe, I don't know, or I don't know, but there are no photos of that lady man before he was 30. There's only 2 photos. There are only 2 photos there. So that's very interesting, huh? So I'm gonna leave you with this shocking agenda, because you're probably gonna hear this everywhere, and this link for this entire investigation, look, entire investigation, I'm gonna leave below. Take care, have a nice weekend, and remember, I am buying the dips now. I believe that we may have a small movement up, and if I'm wrong, we may have even a higher movement. Of course, I'm giving a stop losses, because if this is not the dip or only just the beginning of the bigger fall, stop losses will kick me out. Take care, see you, bye bye.